How do I check the battery on my ADT doorbell?
Hello there. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss how to check the battery on your ADT doorbell. This is a fairly straightforward process, but knowing exactly how to do it can save you time and keep your home security system functioning optimally.
Identifying your ADT doorbell model.
First off, it's important to identify your specific ADT doorbell model. The process for checking the battery may vary slightly between different models. Take a moment to find the model number of your ADT doorbell. You'll usually find it on the back or underside of the device.
Accessing the ADT control portal.
Next, you'll need to access the ADT control portal. This could be done either on your computer or through the ADT mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Devices section. Here, you should see a list of all your ADT devices, including your doorbell.
Checking the battery status.
In the Devices section, find your doorbell and click on it. This should open a more detailed page about the device. Look for the battery status. This should show the current battery level of your ADT doorbell. Remember that if the battery level is low, it's time to replace it. It's important to keep your doorbell's battery in good shape to ensure that it can keep monitoring your home effectively.
Understanding the battery status.
The battery status usually shows a percentage of the battery's current charge. If this is at or near 100%, your battery is fully charged. If it is significantly lower, you may want to consider replacing the battery soon. Battery life can vary depending on the model of your doorbell and how often it's used, but on average, you can expect a battery to last between 6 months to a year. Always replace the battery with the exact type recommended by ADT to ensure proper functioning of your doorbell. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to check the battery on your ADT doorbell. Remember to check regularly to ensure your doorbell never runs out of power. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay safe.